armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestants?
We will explain later. Greetings, hero, and welcome to DreadZone. Rest assured, you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program that Galaxy has ever known. Prepare yourselves. I'm gonna make this one messy. We'll see who the real hero is. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom.
Time for some real action. It's time to blow stuff up! That's right, it's time for DreadZone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome! Catch it live, right here, on Vox.